क्रैक किया तो आपको मिलेगा सिर्फ 50 पॉइंट। गुड जॉब।
Sanchi, who's coming into his life, is really a blessing for him. So there's no words to express but blessings for him. Actually, see, my son is really so good that I can never say ki he's done this mischief or that mischief. He's really been too sweet, I should say. Actually, not troubled me at all.
छाप तिलक सब चीनी रे मोसे नैना मिलाई के 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 सब कुछ मोरा चीनी रे मोसे नैना मिलाई के छाप तिलक सब चीनी रे मोसे नैना मिलाई के ओ मोहे सुहागन की नीरे मोसे नैना मिलाई के छाप तिलक सब चीनी रे मोसे नैना मिलाई के
It's so nice to see the entire family so happy, San so happy. I think it was her dream coming true. So
Yeah.
that I think is the most exciting part of this.
She's the sweetest person I know, and she's been my constant since forever. And we have spoken about anything to everything. There's nothing that has been left out. But yeah, we instantly clicked, and there was no looking back after that. And here we are today.
चिट्टा कुक्कड़ बने रहते चिट्टा कुक्कड़ बने रहते काशनी दुपट्टे वाली मुंडा सदके रहते काशनी दुपट्टे वाली मुंडा सदके रहते सारी खेड लकीरां दी सारी खेड लकीरां दी गड्डी आई स्टेशन ते अख भिज गई वीरां दी गड्डी आई स्टेशन ते हाँ चिट्टा कुक्कड़ बने रहते चिट्टा कुक्कड़ बने रहते काशनी दुपट्टे वाली मुंडा सदके रहते काशनी दुपट्टे वाली मुंडा सदके रहते काशनी दुपट्टे वाली मुंडा सदके रहते
That room has good aesthetics.
You want to come there?
Like she said, here we are. I think Sanch is one of the very few people who's so genuine, so honest. It's nice to actually be a part of her journey more than anything. I think the best thing about Sanch is that if she really loves you, she really loves you. She gives her all in, and you are everything to her. So it's nice to be a part of that universe. You know?
I've been trying to call. I've been on my own for long enough. Maybe you can show me how to love. Maybe I'm going through a drought. You don't even have to do too much. You can turn me on with just a touch, baby. I look around, since city's cold and empty. No one's around to judge me. I can see clearly when you're gone. I said, ooh, I'm blinded by the lights. No, I can't sleep until I feel your touch. I said, ooh, I'm drowning in the night. Oh, when I'm like this, you're the one I trust. Hey, hey, hey. I'm running out of time, 'cause I can see the sun light up the sky. So I hit the road in overdrive, baby. Oh, the city's cold and empty. No one's around to judge me. I can see clearly when you're gone. I said,
all kinds of feelings. I'm excited, nervous, happy, all at the same time. Yeah, so it was just a very true friendship that turned to love, you know. Well, it was just one night we were together, I think partying somewhere, and we went clubbing, and after that he just told me that he really loves me and he's into me, and that was the first reveal. Dhruv, let's get married.
सलमा से तारों वाली शगना दे शब आए रे बनों से बनने के मिलने की जरूरत लाए रे शहनाई पूंजी सबके आंखें भर आए सलमा से तारों वाली शगना दे शब आए रे बनों से बनने के मिलने की जरूरत लाए रे शहनाई पूंजी सबके आंखें भर आए रे शहनाई पूंजी सबके आंखें भर आए
ओ 16 बरस के 2 कदम चौखट के बाहर क्या गए तेरी कुड़माई के दिन आ गए हाय बन्नो परदेसिया के देश के चौबारे तुझको भा गए तेरी कुड़माई के दिन आ गए ले रहा सब लाए तेरी माई बाबुल का घर बार है हो गेंदा गुलाबों से सजी डोली तेरी तैयार है
The personal message is have no expectations with each other. Then life will be beautiful. Because it's, when you don't have expectations, then the surprise factor comes and, you're like, oh wow, she's done this for me or he's done that for me. That makes a lot of difference.
I think that he needs to be ready to be going to Thailand every 4 months.
Yes.
That's something he really
Going for
needs to be
vacations,
prepared about.
Going for trips, be ready.
Yes.
Be ready to travel, be ready to
Yeah.
have fun.
Yeah,
be ready to just enjoy.
तुझे भी है ये रौनकें सभी होती तेरे होने से
your love story is just like how it is today, and it just never ends. So best of luck for the rest of your life now.
I'm too excited. I'm getting a little emotional, but congratulations. I love you both.
The family matter and the truth for the matter. It was God's plan to show y'all the liar.
He's always been so caring, so nurturing. No matter what happens, he keeps me on priority, and I really adore that about him. Okay, Dhruv, the big day is here, and I just want to tell you that I'm gonna keep you happy, and I'm gonna love you forever. Thank you for giving me such beautiful memories, and I can't wait to make more beautiful memories with you.